wakwaba and found Bragan and Sem TVGH so wafre me Addo searching.
Agree with most of the decisions that President Jerry John Rawlings here, you know. Yantida say you to me ma obisika say fa Rawlings got na did in attempt. All we did was to point out the inhumane act of Rawlings. 2, we did not say that because we did not win an election, we are going to make sure that government business does not go on. But under John Dramani Mahama, they spent 8 years. NDC for Jimmy Fono. We need a quick warm up for you people. You people spent 8 years, paid thousands of dollars. As a matter of fact, there's a guy called Jantuah who came to say man, $2,000. So Akuffo. It is true. NDC Mahama man $2,000 say Unko di nanado attempt. It happened in Ghana. So I'm not speaking from a vacuum. I'm speaking from experience. I'm speaking from things that we have experienced while we were in power and NDC was in opposition. They bought the whole media to the point say, "Yetumika chere Ghana ni say, na ne papa ne maami to me hwe ni school. Nanso aban bi ba no be hwe ni school a onye hwe. Na mbom sa aban ne ma no 2 cedi dokono a waboa no. This is how these people turn Ghanaians' mind too. Omanya no de dum so mu ana ne baba shop eguo, ni cold store eguo, hello SKB, ni cold store eguo, ni bibi eguo. Ye to me come and to Ghana ni tiri mu say, dia oba ya wo cold store gu ye no. Dia oba ya went to me ankofa nam na wonam a wo fa ye say ye. Dia oba ya went to me antu adwumayefo ka. Dia oba ya sabio adwuma ye di ja no from President Mills no time ni na no. Went to me aye no. Eye better than the oba ya sabio. What to me procure ambulance, diama every constituency for your pomuteni. What to me ama enkoda over 5.7 million ako school free. You see a no more nya de papa. You to me Tom and to Ghana for 3. More than a did attempt be an another be be an any perfect. A brochile for bon sem man anato. Abana man for bon sem man anato. NDC force because they are not in power. Service and another trinity kura the 2 or more and yamofe. And a mutu cabal goo, we as say Munko Dinko for atem. Munko din another atem, Munko diba, we atem, Munchi form. Take them to the cleaners. By Ofoswampofo, or some form Munko cleaners, Namunko Jarium. Mumfa did the attempt in Jarium for the first time, me Ofoswampofo. May your elder dear, then so na me someone in our boss say, Okohuna Okona so who software didn't attempt. That time, no. Now, NDC for religious and moral education teachers, no. That time, no, not NPP, religious and moral education teachers, no, money morals. Bupeni, Suropeni, no, not Oma de da. Because another day said, no, Yakola, Utia, said, Enufuano. Ebra ye din anadu atem munchi mani yira ye se monteshi monti se dogo bi kure no abe ye din atem mun din anadu atem mun se no mun tichi no de onye ye kure se wa ye de onko ye you people did all these stupid things with no basis and I'm the man some cheap minded boka Ghana for Jimmy for kakra bi e fra mo e kotoye and aye MP before akwasi ampa for kakra na e kan ho no so say sa de aye nkoto aba e na ye tena ho. And a more way baby yeso. Na normal baby yeso na yeso ye hold them to the whole same standard. I must say they NDC for almost a day. NDC for almost a day. And now yes ye dimu mahama na temu almost a day. Musi ye nyai. And then the morals ye mbu penin or your president or your bua mame. NDC for mutie or your president me or your bua mame because the same way ya moka se na nado ya bua no the same way na John Mahama so ya bua mumu muji. Yen start here. Me see I grow we yen start you. I grow we yen start here. And I'm going to see me Kenya. Who said me? I always promise you say media review. Opa NDC will go for supplementary budget. They will seek say parliament and more muska more. No mutumin completing the amount of person more. Opa will be a marking the baby. Media review. They are going to bring that. Now no na me change. So that it will come and confirm my prophecy. It will come and confirm what I told you people on this page. And then I can start firing these fools. More. And then the yedi atemu eya. And then the yedi atemu eya. Sebium prediasa. And your bronsam na betine binimua. And kanana bene mahama. Why na abobra? Mahama tiwe. Senya kromfonya june boni ne woni trimua. Nanado etu any school fees paying. A fact. Or no ankasa ajiatum. It is true. It is true. Nanado Bua John Mahama in his education. Monsieur Tumika Sebio, Mahama dio to me top air flights. Akuffo Addo dio to me. Mahama to me fab business class. Akuffo Addo unkofa trotro. Mahama to me num a bomb vita. Akuffo Addo unkomu. This is Opebu and the special on MPs for no. Omo Mabedi positions no. Namebebu Pomo Damo Mako. Moma Tony baby and Sunka. Emre yeninka so yeni na ye pe my papa and can't remember say aban a wo de ne ba ye no o mbo number o senkrofo adwuma wa bankrofo adadum som 4 years obi aba be pepa ne to pepa Ghana to e ma Ghana fa ne ntuma paka krefra uko ebruchira ya start rate Ghana o se moa ye beton dokon ba ko 3 cedi to de kwasia na be ba be di president and aboa na wa ba mu dwane. And now, Buana Muslim Open, or no Wabba Mutan, and I'm moving say, moving shade. May sound no one you are, may sound no one you are, whether you are NPP or NDC. Se Munime Futua, Munime Futua, say, may you be at Temua. Monko country, Quasiam Penny Kevin Taylor. Monko country, Jimmy for Sami Jenfi. Munko country, Kurasini, Sam George. Munko country, Abuo Kudata blocker. Aquasiam Pampo to say, Abramita Candon, Munko 2 or 4, said the Atemunye. May my pap sa a futu. Uti, my passe a futu. Mofe say, Yabba Fefe, yet 2 mamma. No. Some will say and say, Diani Naibachem say. Asia, when I came to power, you set a cabal and say, oh, Mama, dear Bakukra, a dear cry, ye no beer one and need the honor, which look or catch them for say, oh, boy. Which look or catch them for say, it's a lie. They are lying, hello. They are lying. There is nothing like a vaccine institute. There is nothing like this. You people said all these things. And then what by power? You are commissioning the same thing. The same thing this fool said was not true. The same project now. And this is what These are the products they are ushering out now to Ghanaians and say, Omo buy no, Omo be institute no, Moma meno mako NDC for. I'm on trying my catcher. See we are a short one. We are 5 minutes warm up. Muti, me ho Tommy ba. Muti. Now I find ye be soldier. Who say me NDC mobile power? And I'm catcher am say me mama kan mo budget here. Me choose mo crop for here. Now must steady the way I am going to go. George, and then when they are NDC for here. Because you start to make the argument and they say the dollar has reduced, but prices of goods hasn't reduced. And guess what they have tried to do now? Now, to social media for and this is what they are doing. Please don't get fooled with it. Why? Don't be fooled with it. This is what they are doing. No matter the baby. Oh, Dokuno 10. You want to use